Welcome to U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video and do subscribe.
Hi, my name is Rudy Cozy. I live in Homer Glen, Illinois. Been restoring cars for approximately 60 years. This is a 1963 fuel-injected split window. It took me approximately 7 years to do this car. I restored other cars, so I did a little bit at a time. Did a complete frame-off restoration and restored the car from there on up. It was all pretty much original.
How is the car to drive? How is it to drive?
It drives beautiful.
Do you let anyone else drive it, like your friends over here?
My wife.
There you go, there you go. And can we see the interior?
Yeah.
And yes. So this is really, really nice.
Thank you.
How many hours did it take? Is it a lot of?
It's hard to say. You do it over a period of time, because meanwhile I'm working on customers' cars also.
Right.
I think on the speedometer, since I restored it, I've got 15,000 miles since the restoration that I finished about 12 years ago.
Nice. And how many cars have you restored in your lifetime?
Oh my God, that's a rough one. A lot of them.
Wow.
You want to see the engine?
Sure, yeah.
No.
Okay, so what are we looking at here?
This is a 1963 fuel-injected split window.
Okay.
The fuel injection, they made this style up until in 1965.
That is so nice.
From 63 to 65.
That is so nice.
Very valuable.
Now for a person that has restored so many cars, what's your favorite car?
This one right here.
There you go.
Yeah, by far. I think it's the most beautiful car Chevrolet has ever made. It's unique. There was only 1 year where they had a split window. That was 1963. The following year, they took the back window out because they thought it was obstructing your view when you look through the rear window. So that's one of the things that made the car very valuable.
Sure.
There's another car identical to this that has a 36-gallon gas tank.
Okay.
And
wow.
That we use for road racing. I wrote appraisals on 2 of those cars. They only made, I believe, 63 of those. They sold from 7 to 900,000.
Oh, really? Wow.
A few things on the car that I changed on the car it shouldn't have. The outside exhaust, which it's got the regular exhaust coming out the back, but I like the way it's styled.
Right.
It looks, you know.
Right.
So,
And then do you let your friends over here drive it?
yeah.
There you go.
I turned 80 years old 2 weeks ago. I'm still restoring cars.
Wow.
I have a Corvette shop where I do all my restoration. I'm in Lockport, Illinois.
Okay.
Cozy's Corvette Clinic, and I also do appraisals on collectible cars, all styles. And I write values on those, and whatever you generally say they're worth, the insurance company insures them for that.
Sure. And what is the phone number or address? There we go. We got it.
You can have that.
We got it.
Thanks for watching.